Hello, welcome back to another lecture of DSA. Today, we will take up the topic valid palindrome, and we will just go through the algorithm and try to write a code out of to handle the valid palindrome. Starting, what is a valid palindrome, right? So, before talking about valid palindrome, let's first try to check what is a palindrome. So, suppose I have this one, race a car, right? So, I have this string with me, and we just have to check whether this is a valid palindrome or not. So, how we will check? If you read from left to right side, it is what rest a car, right? Now, if you try to read from the right side to the left side, so RA, okay, we don't need actually this. Okay, so RACE, race car, right? So when we read from left to right, it is going rest car. Again, if you go from right to left, it is going rest car, right? So either way, like from either of the direction, if I go from left or if I go from right, it has to pronounce, it has to give me the same string. So one another example is this, like we have IBOBI. So if I try to read from left to right, it is IBOBI, and if I try to read from right to left, it is same IBOBI. So no matter from which direction I read, it should give me the same result. So that is nothing but our palindrome. I hope you understood a brief idea about palindrome. Now, what happens if I write something like this, or let's take this example, IBO, then space, comma, then O, then B, and then suppose I write this, right? This is now my string instead of the this string. Now I have a special character. I have a space. I have comma, then space, then OB, then dollar sign, then I. So I have got this string, which is quite daunting if you look at this. But here, what we have to do is for valid palindrome, we need to remove all the alphanumeric, right? Which is not alphanumeric, sorry. So which is not alphanumeric, that I have to remove it. And if I check, it should give me the same result. Now if I remove which is not alphanumeric from here, so first this is alphanumeric, this is alphanumeric, this is a special character, so we will remove this. What about this? We will remove this also, space, we will remove comma. So again, we are with this evo, then we have this B, then we will remove the dollar and we will have this, right? So we have got this same string which previously we have checked. That is our valid palindrome, uh, problem here. So we need to remove those character which is not alphanumeric, and we again have to check whether it is matching in reverse or not. Then only we can go ahead and verify or confirm that it is a valid palindrome. So I hope you guys have understood this. Now let's jump to our code part. So what we will do is we will start with the lead code. So I hope you have created a lead code account, and then you sign into your lead code account. Then simply you can click here, right? So here problems you can go, or if I okay here you can just click on the top interview 150, and if you just scroll down and have a look, you will find a because we are right now discussing about the two pointers approach. So, okay, this you need to click. You need to click on the valid palindrome. Now this it will show. So already I have written the code here. So let's again uh, try to write a code from scratch again, right? So here you got the idea about palindrome, but how we will write the logic for this? What will be the logic behind our valid palindrome is now first I need to convert to lowercase. Whatever character I have, I need to convert to lowercase. Then I will check, right? I will check whatever if alpha numeric it is, then we are good. Otherwise, we will check that condition. So coming to here, we will just start writing the code. So first you need to specify the left and the right side. So for the left, I will simply type 0 from index 0. We would like to start. And here you can see I'm writing in Python 3 code. So that is the language that I'm using. And for the right, I will just take the length of the string and I will just minus it by 1 so that I will go to the last element, right? So left and right I have got. Now what I will do is I will now write a loop. That loop, since this is two pointers, it will go from left to right. Again here I need to convert, right? I need to convert what I need to convert the uh, character to lowercase. So left ch equal to what? Left ch equal to, yeah, I have this string s and then I have the left dot lower, right? So I'm taking the zero index and I'm simply converting the character in at zero index to lowercase. Similarly, for the right, I will just convert the right to lowercase. Now I have the left and the right converted. Now what I will do is I will now start checking. So uh, if not left ch dot is alpha numeric, right? Then what I will do, I will simply uh, increase my pointer by 1 because we are running our two pointer. And else if not right, if right character is not alpha numeric, then we need to uh, bring down or we need to move the right pointer to left by how much? By 1. So I need to subtract 1 here. And then now uh, again else if right ch not equal to left ch left character. So basically if right character and left character are not matching with each other, then what I need to do, I need to return false. Else if they are matching, then what I need to do is I need to increment the right by 1 and I need to okay, this is actually reverse. Left should be incremented by 1 and right should be decremented by 1. Okay, and then we will simply, we'll simply just return true otherwise. Okay, so here is the logic. And if we run this, let's try to check whether all the test cases are being, satisfied or not. So as you can see here, all our test cases has been surpassed. So we are able to pass all our test cases. And if I am to explain this, what am I trying to do here? We have already seen the code, we have run the code, now it is passing all the test cases. Now, just for the explanation purpose, let me just grab this code, then paste it here. Okay, so what we are trying to do here is, if you look properly, right? If you look properly, just a minute. Okay, so if you look at here, I have left equal to 0. So that means I have this string. I have this string res car. So from this side RACECAR, and from this side again if I write, then RACECAR. So that means this is a valid palindrome, but we need to write a code to check this. So first I would like to start from the 0 index, right? So 0, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and 5, and then 6. So this is the index. Now I will start from this left to right. Now left is 0, and how much is right? Right is len s, right? So total len is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. So from 0 to 6 it will go, right? So this is correct according to our index. So index is starting from 0 and it will go till 6. Now what we will do is we are checking here if left character is before that we are simply converting our left, right? So if I do s left, so what is the value of left here? Left value is 0. So what is the character at index 0? The character is R, which is capital letter, of course. So I need to change this to small letter R, right? So that's what the reason why I'm using the lower function. And similarly, after converting to a small letter R, now we are trying to change the right to what? Right, if you look at the right index, it is 6. So 6 is R here, right? So already this is a small character if you look carefully here, uh, but it is fine. Just we are again converting this to lowercase, right? It is already small in character, but then also we are just applying the function lower. That's why it is converting to small character R. Now all will be converted to a small character and we will check, right? So if our left character is uh, alphabetical numeric, right? So alphanumeric means it can be either A, B, C, all the alphabets, and it can contain 1, 2, 3, right? So whenever my character is alphanumeric, so it can be either A, B alphabets, or it can be either this number. So any of those, if it is there, then what we will do, we will just increase the left pointer. So instead of my left pointing here, my left will now go in this A, right? So it will point to here. And suppose I have something like RA, then some kind of dollar sign. So whenever I encounter this, right? So whenever I encounter this, then what happens? We will, before that, again here, if you see in the right side also, if a right side is also similar to alphanumeric, then we will just move. Instead of pointing to here, it will point to this one since it is alphanumeric. So only when it is alphanumeric, we will move our pointer. And here, if right side is not equal to left character, right? Now, if again I will check this A is equal to A or not, because this pointer is pointing here and this pointer is pointing to here. So if both are not equal to, then what I will do, I will just simply return false, right? And suppose both are matching. So A and A are matching. At that point, what I will do, I will just increase again, right? Right by again, it will point to this, and left again, it will point to this instead of this. So got it? So we are always moving uh, only when it is matching and only when it is alphanumeric. If it is not alphanumeric, then what we will do? We will not move at all, right? So we will not move if it is not alphanumeric. Okay, here, okay, if not left character is okay, only if, okay, here is a mistake. If you look at here properly, if not is alphanumeric, that means if left character, if left character is not alphanumeric, that means, okay, uh, I was explaining upside down, right? So what happens is when a left character, okay, I have explained wrongly here. So when left character is having dollar or like this or any space which is not alphanumeric, because we are writing here if not. So if not alphanumeric, then only we will move the pointer. Otherwise, we will just check whether left or right is equal to or not, right? So that is the case here. And also for right character also, we will simply check whether our right character is uh, not alphanumeric. So if right character also contains dollar and then space like that, then we will simply discard it by moving the pointer. So that is what we are doing here. We will first try to convert. We will first try to convert to lowercase. We'll first try to convert to lowercase. Second, we will try to discard, right? We will try to discard, or you cannot say discard. We will try to check if not alpha numeric. Both left and right side, if it is not alphanumeric, suppose if not alphanumeric means like dollar or like this, if something special character comes, then we will move left by 1 and we will move right by 1 minus 1, right? So that is the case here. And we will try to check. So if our left character is not equal to right character, so if left and right character are not matching, then we will return false, right? It's as simple as that. But if they are matching, then what we will do? We will simply again move our pointer by 1, right? So left will be moved by 1 and right also will be moved by 1. And if it is all matching, if it is going like this in this else, if in this else condition, if it is going like this again and again, then at the last we will simply return true, because this condition is not uh, fulfilling this condition, and also might be this condition might be fulfilled, but this condition is again and again fulfilling, means we will simply return true. That is how we are returning the valid palindrome. So I hope you understood this about valid palindrome. And yeah, we have also seen the code running here. So I hope that is helpful. So I will see you in the next class. Take care.